I wanted to show you how you can export your Screencastify videos to audio. So I have recorded here a short video. It's 4 seconds. You have to unmute it. Here's my completely random audio. Okay, so I want to export this as an MP3. If I click on the download, I can export audio only. It's downloading right now. Once it has finished, down here, it actually goes in your Google Drive automatically. So if I click over here on my Google Drive, I see that I have an audio file called Completely Random Audio, and I can click on it. Hello, here's my completely random audio. And if I wanted to, I could insert that into a Google slide by going to Insert Audio. It's going to bring up my most recent ones. Wait patiently, I have completely random audio. And now if I click play, hello, here's my completely random audio. So that's how you can use Screencastify to export audio files.